the entire security team in a multi-agency approach managed to pull this kind of an arrangement in a very complicated and difficult environment. And finally we got it right. Remember when we started from Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, we had certain challenges, which some people take it for that it was easy. It wasn't, because it was possible for the police to use force, and the consequences would have been too bad. It was, though there was some bridges that happened at the airport, it was to walk through the ocean. And I'm very happy for one thing, that as citizens saw what happened here, they improved their support to the security sector. By the time we were in Kisii, by the time now we are going to Nyayo, by the time we are coming to Kisii, and here in Bondo, there has been a great cooperation. And let me tell you, we would never have been able to do this if the supporters of the former Prime Minister Raila Odinga were not responsive to the call to cooperate and work with the security sector. So from a government side, I want to appreciate the security team working together, the military, the police, the formed UP units for coming together, putting in place a very important operational plan that has ensured that we have achieved this great success. So far, I'm very happy, and I want to thank the citizens of Kenya for being cooperative with the security sector.